Good afternoon. So I've seen a lot of people curious about how to upload posts and videos, so I will show you. Here I found a very lovely picture that I wish to share with all of you. So I'm going to right click on my image um, and open image in new tab. This opens just the image. Then I will copy this uh, link. Go to the Imamother website where I want to post it. I'm going to post this in the humor thread. I'm just going to find the humor thread, and here it is. Jump to the last post, and come down. Now I have the quick reply, but this is easier to do in the regular reply. So we go to reply, and then you go here to post image. Once you're in post image, a little box will pop up. You paste the link, say OK, and it puts it like this with these image tabs around it. Preview, just to make sure that it comes up, and here it is. And then you post. And then here it is. Oop, here it is at the end. And now what I will do is I will upload this video to YouTube while showing you how to do this, because I noticed that up here we had a question for how do you post the pictures and how do you post YouTube. So I will now show this.